Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So please bear with my voice because I'm having a cold and cough this following days. So today is Saturday. So another vlog, another bike adventure for our XSR 155. So this morning I'm going to show how much is the distance traveled by this motorcycle after 4 months. Okay, but before that, I'm going to show first the different upgrades I made with my bike. So first, I put a cell phone holder here. So as what you can see, and then the radiator cover. The color is black and there is a markings here, XSR 155. Okay. And then we have the back seat also, bracket. So let us now have a warm up and sound check also. So it has already 1,868 kilometers run after 4 months. Okay, everything is stuck and it's a very conditioned motorcycle. Gas and go. So let's hear it sound. Guys, thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.